Oh, you threw it too far.
Oh, that's gonna be loud. Yeah. I hope I don't get hit.
Oh!
Hey, guess what? It didn't work.
No. Throw it.
Let me step back a fucking. Let me step back about 10 feet. That makes it right.
I felt the shockwave on that. There you go. Oh shit.
Good thing I'm drunk. Oh yeah, yeah!
That was pretty cool. That was worth it. That is a way to start a fire.
Yeah!
That's pretty cool. That's how we do shit in Jay County, my friend. That's pretty cool.
That's the motherfucking hillbilly way.
That's gonna be a fire now. Dude, that's like 40.
Woo! I can feel it all over here.
I know, it was good. Damn. I'll throw some more on there, you fucking hillbilly. That looks good, Mike, right there. That's gonna be a good fire. Looks like
woo!
At least 2 stories tall. I'll say. Woo! The women are like running to the window. What the fuck is going on?